Hey, Kerry Russell here again from the blog mechanic.com. So now that you have found the CSS class for the featured images on your WordPress website, next we need to find the unique post ID that we can use in the custom CSS code in the next step to tell the browser exactly which post on your blog you want the featured image removing from. So to do that, once again, open up the post in the Firefox browser, but this time you can click anywhere on the page. It doesn't have to be on the image. So I'll just place my mouse anywhere on the page, hold down Control on my keyboard, left click my mouse, go to the Inspect tool, and this time all you're going to do, in the panel at the bottom of the page on the left hand side, there's a scroll bar, okay, just here. Just scroll it right to the top. And then about 3 or 4 lines down from the top, you're going to see body class equals, and then there's a ton of CSS classes in that line, okay? So you're looking for one that has post ID. So looking at my code here, if I just highlight this so you can see it better. If I look at my code here, I can see post ID -17. So 17 is the unique number for this particular WordPress post. So once again, just like we did in the previous video, all you have to do is double click the post ID text, and then that's going to highlight everything in between the open quotation marks or the open brackets, whatever you want to call it. So all you're going to do from here is just click your mouse in front of the post ID and just highlight that single class, okay? So post ID -17. Once you've located the post ID for your WordPress post and you've highlighted the text, again, you want to copy and paste that onto a notepad document, or if it's easier for you, just write it down. And when you've done that, I will see you in the next step. Bye for now.